Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyway you come across my video, you have to like, you have to share, you have to subscribe to Aziza Audio YouTube TV. Yeah, this video is about the federal government and about the corruption in Nigeria, about the former governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello. So I want to explain to Nigeria why you people say Nigeria is very difficult for Nigeria to work. When you see the head of state in a country is corrupt, you understand? You see all a cabinet, all his friends is corrupt. You know that government cannot move and that government cannot drive. You understand? You see why every time I come out to this social media talk about Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Bola Ahmed Tinubu government is corrupt. It's make Nigeria corrupt. It's make everything difficult in Nigeria. You know, look at what the president of Nigeria say. President of Nigeria come out and wish Yaya Bello happy birthday. When you know what Yaya Bello have cost Nigeria, have cost Kogi State. You look at that car that Yaya Bello is driving. That armor car that Yaya Bello is driving. That car will fix all the whole problem that the Kogi State have. Among all the whole money that man loot in Kogi State, nobody proving is in children, the school in Europe, you know. Then now you still get mind. They wish the man happy birthday. How do you think the corruption in Nigeria will end? If Nigeria can allow this man they call Tinubu to re-election in 2027, Nigeria will finish. I don't think they will see a country that will call Nigeria if this man can be elected in 2027, because this man don't have everything he know about his life. He know about his life, even his past life, or as he live as a governor or senate. Everything is corrupt, you know. How can a city president, you know what Yaya Bello have cost Kogi State, looted the whole treasure in Kogi State. Now nobody proving. You are still watching me. God will not forgive you, and Allah will not forgive you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, what you did. And nobody on this earth will forgive you, you know. That is because you are the problem of Nigeria. You know you are not capable to carry Nigeria problem. Then you are stronger for it. God will visit you. Everybody, everybody in Nigeria, everybody in Nigeria, all their soul